Hello, distinguished members. Once again, let's continue with our lessons. So this is where we have ended in our lessons. We want to add the school logo and then the student picture. So let's change the view to design view and go to design. Now go to first of all, select the whole of the form. Select the whole of the form and go to data and go to record source. Click on the three dots. Go to query. We are going to pick that detail. Okay, we're going to pick it from the query. We have created a query for that. I hope you remember. We have created a query for school details. So we're going to pick it from query school detail. I hope I'm not lying. That's where you have this. Let me see. No, I don't believe it's a query school details. No. Go to, let's click on the three dots. Let me see. We have created a query. We have created a query. Let me check something. That houses what we are looking for. Okay, it will be on the query terminal report. Yeah, the query terminal report. Let me check it here. Yeah, that's what you have created. Let me see the view. Design view. Yeah, the query terminal reports. We have the student picture and then the school logo. Okay, so let me close this. So I'll select the whole of the form once again and I'll go to data, record source. I'll not click on the three dot right there. I'll click on the drop down and I'll look for the query terminal report. So this is it. That's all. Now, after I've done that, I can close this and go to design and click on add existing field. Now, I will move the school look, the pictures, the school picture will be here. I'll delete the label. Then I will edit this one. I'll format it the way I want it to be. I'll click on the property sheet and I'll go to format. I just want to see this. Okay, I don't want to add any formatting, so go to format and change the shape outline to transparent. Okay, let's now go to design, add a existing field. We are going to add a school logo. School logo will be here. So delete the field name, then expand this. Now I want to see the size that we have given to it. So I'll just copy. The width is 2 points, so copy. Then come here and put the width over there. The width. Come here. First of all, the picture size mode should be stretched. Okay. And then the height is, I'll copy the height. I'll come here and paste the height over there. I'll come here, copy here. I'll copy the top. The top should be come here. I'll copy the left. And paste it there. Okay, now they are having so I'll bring it here. So now the size are equal. So I'll go to format. I'll change the shape outline to transparent. Now let me view it and see how it is looking like. Layout view. So see how it is looking. See how it is looking. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. So we'll add the various field here. So let's change it to design view. Let's expand this. Let's expand this one. You can reduce the footer. We'll work on the footer later on. Let's expand this. Let's expand this. Let's expand this. Now we'll go to design. Add existing field. We'll add the people's name. Bring it here. People's name. Select this one. And then so this one, I want it of, they should be of equal size. Okay. Yeah, okay. I want it to be here. Yeah, I'll change this one. I'll bold it. Go to format and bold it. Yeah, change the name to learner's name. Learner's name. Learner's name. So select this one and make it a space. Learner's name. Come here. Let's view what is happening. Let's check what is happening. So select here and right click. Okay, right click. We have to change the alternate color. Go to, let me see. I have to change the alternate color. Okay, now select this and go to alternate color and change it to no color. Okay, so that here will not give us. Select here and go to shape outline and put it at transparent. Okay. It's a report that we are creating, so it's going to create it for all the peoples in the system. Okay. So now let's change it to design view. Now we don't need these things again, so we can close it. So we need the academic, so we copy this. First of all, let's come here. Let's go to property sheet and let's go to others. Let's come here and name it to TST name. We'll be making use in our formula, so we can close it now. So select this, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. We'll say academic year. So we have the academic year. Then we'll use bring the property sheets. Go to data. And click on the three dots and delete whatever is here. The academic dates year, we use a formula for that. I believe you can remember. So equal to, then we use the format. And then we bring dates, format, and then dates. Then you close the bracket. Then you bring comma, space out, then double quotation. In the double quotation right here, we want it to display the year for us. Yeah. Then you close the bracket. You space out to bring the ampersand for concatenate. You want to concatenate with then you bring a comma, you bring a double quotation. In between the double quotation, you put slash, space out. Then you copy the whole of this. Ctrl C to copy. Then you bring the end, and then space out, and you paste, then +1, and you close the bracket. You click on OK. Okay. They say the expression of enter has so many brackets. Let's check it. Okay, let me remove these brackets. So click on OK. So let's view it and see. It has given us what? The academic year. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go to design. Let's change the view to design view. If you like the space in between, okay, let's copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. We'll have the vacation dates, so let's change here to vacation dates. Yeah, the vacation dates, we also maintain that. So let's click on the three dots. For the vacation dates, we will delete all of this. We are going to use the deep lookup. So DLOOKUP. I believe we have used the DLOOKUP before. Yes, I explained the DLOOKUP. It is used to get a particular field from a specified set of records. So DLOOKUP. What are we looking at? we have created a table called school details. So let's check something. So go click on your app, go to table, school details. See, we have created a column for vacation date. So this is what to do. Bring your double quotation. So go and click on the vacation date. So click on it. I don't like the way it brings, so let me delete it. So just write va underscore date. If you name it as I name it, you have this. So the way you name it, check it. Okay, then you bring your comma. Then you bring double quotation again. Where can we find this vacation date? It's on the table school details. School details. So underscore details. School details. Let's close our bracket. So click on OK. So when you go to home and you view, you should have there's an error. There's an error. Okay. An error. Okay. So let's go and do that correction. Okay, this is the error. You see, it's supposed to be underscore, not. Okay, this is the error. So I believe now the error will not come again. You see that the changes have been effected. That's correct. So let's go to design view. The space is too much. Let's close it closer. Now we also make use of the vacation dates and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and select it forward. Here we have the reopening date. So we just clean the vacation. So alright, reopen. It's okay, reopen date. Let's go to the formula. So here we're going to change it to what? Let's go to if you look at the table we have created for school detail, we have what? Opening date. So we're going to use what? Here we're going to change it to open date. Open date. That's all. Click on OK. So let's view it and see. That's the date I stated on the card. So that's good. So what again? What again do we need? Okay. So let's change it to design view. We're going to copy the whole of this and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. We'll select the whole of this and we're going to push it to the side. Let me see, are they on the same alignment? Okay. Select this. Bring it closer. So yeah, I'm going to change it to roll. We'll change it to roll. Here will be roll. Here will contain the class. Then here will contain the term. Here will contain total score. Okay, so let's work on this. go to the formula, the expression builder. So here we'll be using d count. So equal to d count. D count is used to count. Okay, we will count the people's name. I believe that's what I've specified. Let me check the query school details. So in the people's name is in the table registry, right? It's in the registry rather. Table registry. That's people's name. People's name. So a double quotation. In between a double quotation, write people's name. People's underscore name. Then bring comma. And double quotation. Then we can find it on the table registry. Underscore registry. Count the number of people in the registry column. So click on OK. Go home and let's view what it is looking like. So we have 3 students. So let me select this one. Go to format. Right align. Right align. Right align. Right align. This one. Left align. Left align. Left align. Left. How about this one? Right, left. Left. Okay, let's do right align. Right. Right align. Right align. So this one, let's do it left align. Left align. Left align. Left align. So the rule is 3. It's okay. Let's go to home, change it to a design view. So let's work on class. We'll copy the same formula here. So just go and copy it. Ctrl C to copy. And then let's come to class and then we'll paste it at the class. Let's delete whatever is there and paste it. But here, what are you looking for? Class. So class name. And the class name, if I check well, it will be at the school details. Let me see. So class name is at the school details. So I'll change here to school details. The table name is school details. School details. Click on OK. Let's see. Why the class is 1. Let me check another school details. The class name is basics. Basic what? Basic 7. It's 7. So why is it giving me this? then there's something wrong somewhere. Okay, we are not counting. We are not counting. So it's counting. We use the D count for counting. Sorry. So you're supposed to be D lookup, not D count. I thought that is D lookup. So D lookup. So it will look up and search for the class for us. Sorry. So now it will bring the basic. We are learning. Okay. We are learning. So change the view to design view. Let's come to term. The term to just copy this formula, the D lookup. Not the D count, the D lookup. It's the same formula. So yeah, I'll change it to term. Term. That's all. So when we view it, we will see term. Term 3. Now let's look at total score. The total score has a very long formula. Okay, so let's take our time to explain it. So let's continue. So let's work on total score. To prolong the tutorial, I have already created the formula. I just need to explain it to you. So I'll send you this document which contains the formula. If you name the fields as the way I name it from the beginning, you will not have problem with the formula. You will not have problem. But if you choose to name it as you like, that's where you'll be having the problem. I normally say that when we are taking a class, whatever the teacher uses, use that same thing. After you have gotten the understanding, you can do your own things. Some of you decide to do your personal things, and it creates a problem, and you come and be disturbing me. Hey. You can't be disturbing me. Please, I don't want disturbance. I beg. So I'm giving you another instruction. If you use my field names, you will not have problem. So if you are inserting the formula, ensure that the field names that you are using tally with what is on my formula. So if you have made any changes, make sure you also make the changes. Okay, thank you very much. That is just by the way. I'm just joking. Let's continue. So let's view the query. Let's delete whatever is here and paste that formula over here. So what's the meaning of the formula? Formula is saying that please look for the total number of students. Look for the total score. Look for the total score of these students. The total score is found in the query. The query remarks. Is found in the query remarks. Is found in the query mark. Okay. And what are we looking for? We are looking for the people's name. We're looking for the people's name. And that people name to tally each of the students' total score should be tally. So here, I believe we have this correction here. Here will be the test. We have created a name for it. Let's run this formula and see if it will work. I know it will not definitely not work. Okay, it has worked perfectly. So if you look at this student called Constek, that's the total mark he had. Let's look at the next student. He had. So let's just check something to be sure. Let's go to the student query. The remark. Is it remark? Check something here. Yeah, the student remark. So look at the total score for Constek is 261. So let's see here. Let's close the school details. We don't need it. Constek is what? (261). That of Mary 76. Let's check. Mary 76. And Kofi. Let's check Kofi. Kofi is what? Kofi is 249. That's correct. So this formula is bringing the name of the student for us. Some will be asking, like the pictures are not changing. Yes, don't worry. This report that you are creating is for the whole class, and you will create individual reports, and the individual reports will bring the individual pictures. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let me go to the formula again. So the formula is saying that look up for the total score, and this total score is found in the query remarks. Now look for the people name. The people name. So if you can see, there's an asterisk. Look for that people name, all the people's name, that particular name of that student. That's that particular name of that student. So this formula will grab the student total score, each student total score. So let's proceed. We need another one here, which is position. So let's add position, design view, and let's copy this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. Let's give it a. So here we'll just name it to position. Now let's go and copy I'll make everything simple. So just copy and paste, so that we will not waste much time. I know people want to finish the application fast and start selling it to make money. It's very necessary. So this one is also like the first one, is to find the position. The position is located at the query remarks, and look for that people's name and tally and match it with it. Okay, so I believe let's view our. Okay, so let's go to design. Let's go to design view. Let's select the whole of this. Select it and bold them. Let's go to format and let's bold them. Now we'll be adding some other things. Let's copy the whole of this. Let's copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and then select them and bring them here. Let's come down. Let's increase the size of this down. The position will be at the bottom, so let's just here we'll be having attendance. So let's just write attendance. Here we'll be having the conduct. So conduct. Here we'll be having the attitude. The attitude of the student. Here we'll be having the interest. Is that all? Here we'll be having head teacher's remark. Okay, class teacher's remark. Class teacher's remark. Then we copy this V. Here we got head teacher's remark. Okay. We'll be having out of and all those things here. So let's go and copy the formula for attendance. Everything is just there. Just copy and paste. All this formula has the same theme as what I've explained. So let's click here, go to the expression builder and paste it there. Click on OK. Let's come here, go to this attitude conduct. I don't want to make the video long, so that is why you see me, I'm doing very fast. And click on OK. Let's go to interest. Let me check something from here. Okay, so please, the first time I wanted us to change this to test name, but you maintain it as it is. Don't change it. Let it to be people's name. It should be like that. Okay, so that it doesn't affect the formula. Okay. Okay. So if you're having any problem, make sure that it should be people's name. Okay, because in the formula we can see we are using people's name. Let's go to interest. I've done for interest. Conduct interest. You have done for interest. Let me see. Let's copy interest. This for interest. You see the interest in the formula. And let me see if I done for interest. That's attitude. So copy paste. It's interest. I have done for attitude. I haven't done for attitude. Let's do that. Take your time and do it well. Attitude. Impatient can cause you. So come to this. You see, I can see term. That is not correct. That should be attitude. Delay this and paste here. Let's come to headmaster. Class remarks. Don't change anything. Scroll down. So this is a class teacher's. This is a class teacher's remark. Copy the whole of everything and paste. Delete what is here and paste it there. Click on OK. Select this one. Go to the last formula and select. As I've said that I want to do 1 hour. If I should have done that, it will make our video too long for us, and then we have to waste bundle, and that's why I have simplified everything so that we get it. So let's view our report at layout view. Okay, we are having some error. You see, that's why you are having error for position. That's why after you have finished, you have to check. You have to check. If I were to be checking, I will not have seen this. So let's go to let me go to remarks and check something. So I'll open the remark. Okay, so let me see where is the error coming from. Let me see. Now, if you look at the query that I use, the query remarks doesn't contain the position. Doesn't contain the position. Why? Check something. Okay, so okay, I've gotten that. Instead of I'm going to at the query remarks. We didn't have the field name called position. So it's rather in the query broadsheet. So if you let's do that changes, you see the magic. That changes. So here it will be query broadsheet. So let's do that changes. I thought I use it. Okay, so click on OK. So now you can see that it's displayed the position. It will definitely display the position. See? So these are not error. Actually, it was my. Now, let's check something. This could be let's check the school registry, the query school registry. Check the query school registry. So open school registry. It could be my. Now I have people's attendance. It is not in it is not in full. It is not in full. So let me go and do that correction. Yeah. No, let me close this one. So yeah, let's go to terminal report. Yeah, let's do that changes fast. Yeah, it's supposed to be. It's not anything big deal. I thought I used attendance, so that's the reason why these are some of the errors or mistakes that we did, and we will be getting these things. So you see that I rather shorten the attendance. I thought I've written it in full. So if immediately I do that correction, the attendance will come. Let's come to attitude. Attitude. The attitude to, I believe I didn't write it in full. I didn't write it in full. I didn't write. Let me check. How did I write the attitude? Under the registry. Registry. Let me see how I write the attitude. See how I write the attitude. I write it in full. Okay, I write it in full. So attitude. I've written it in full. Let me look at it's under query rather. Query what? Query registry. Okay, see, I've shortened it too. Yeah, I've shortened it. I didn't short it. Look at it. Use it too. People's attitude. Yeah. Okay, it was the wrong naming. I didn't name it well. Look at it. Let me see. So I name it too. So because I name it like that. Let me check it again. As you can see, the files are making noise, and it will force me to pause the video over here. So look at it. People's attitude. Where I am getting this wrong. A string can be up to this long, including opening. What is the error? Let me go and copy the formula well. I didn't copy it well. And that is attitude. Okay. Don't worry. As a developer, you will encounter a lot of challenges, and they are all part of the. So here I will change it to T, and the magic will happen. So look at the magic. That's correct. So we are facing the error. So now it could be the naming. Let's go to the this thing, query broadsheet. Query broadsheet. Let me see. Is a query? No, query broadsheet, not query broadsheet. Query broadsheet. Let me take. Let's close it. Let me view it from here. Query broadsheet. Actually, in the terminal report, what are we looking for? The class teacher's remark. The class teacher's remark. And the class teacher's remark is not located on the query broadsheet. It will rather be located on the query broadsheet preview. No, it's not even here. And how come? Okay. It is rather located on the query remarks. It's rather located on the query remarks. So let's do that correction. Query remarks. Query remarks. So you see that it has do that correction for us. Okay, so let's do the same thing here. It was as a result of wrong naming. If you know what you are doing, you will not find it difficult. So as I've said, my video want to reach the 1 hour, but I'll stop over here and we'll continue. Thank you very much for your time. I'll send the formula to you. I'll not do any changes. I'll maintain it as it is, and you yourself, you do the correction yourself. Thank you. See you.